Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be making a quick spline jig that you can make on any table saw by following these steps. Start by marking out the height of our fence here on our table saw, just on a piece of scrap plywood. I'm using 3/4, but you can use anything here. I'm going to make 2 cuts on that same height, one for each side of the fence, and those are going to be my base pieces. Then putting those 2 pieces on either side of the fence, you can measure the distance across with a combination square or tape measure. And I check it in both places, and I set that distance to my table saw so I can rip that top piece off another piece of 3/4 inch plywood. Now as that top piece was a little longer, I cut it to length, just using the same length as those side pieces. And I cut it to length here on the miter saw. Now I'm doing the glue up. I put those 2 side pieces in place, apply some glue to the top, and then drop that top piece back in. Let's do a few brad pin nails there just to keep it in place while the glue dries. And then clean off any glue squeeze out. Now I'm attaching the side piece here. This is just any size of, same thing, of 3/4 inch plywood scrap. This is about 12 inches by 16 inches or so. But I put it in place and put that board up, and now I make sure it's square to the table. And then once again I can pin nail it in place to hold it square while the glue dries. Now I'll add some more pin nails after it's set in a position, just to hold it while that glue sets up. Now I'm installing the miter pieces. These are just some about 2-inch scraps of oak that I have. And I'm gluing them here at a 45-degree angle to the bottom there, so that a picture frame or box can set in and you can cut your splines. As before, tacking them into place here while that glue sets up. And I repeat that process on the other side. So I have 2 pieces, both at 45 degrees, and that's how you make this spline jig. Here it is in action, cutting a few splines for a picture frame. Hope you liked this quick video of making a nice little shop project. If there's anything else you'd like to see, be sure to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.